Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create a bolt with the help of add-ins available in this utility section of this Fusion 360. To create a bolt, first go to utilities, then from here we'll select this add-ins. From here we'll select this scripts and add-ins. As you select this scripts and add-ins, from here you can select this bolt, select this run, and as you can see we are able to create the bolt. From here you can change the parameter of this bolt, like here you can provide 1 centimeter. Body diameter you can change, let's say 0.75. 0.75. In the similar way you can also change the head height 0.35. Here you can change the body length from 2 centimeter to 4 centimeter. And cut angles 30 degree to, let's say, 20 degree. Chamfer distance, these chamfers you can also change and press OK. So as you can see we are able to create such kind of board with the help of add-ins available in this Fusion 360. This one is the simplest method to create the bolt. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel.